Welcome to the future of Italian performance and elegance. This is the 2025 Maserati Grecale, where design, power and luxury collide in stunning harmony. Maserati, a name synonymous with style and speed, has once again raised the bar for what it means to drive something truly exceptional. And the Grecale? It's not just an SUV, it's an experience, a statement, a masterpiece on wheels. From the very first glance, the 2025 Grecale captivates with its bold yet refined design. The signature Maserati grille commands attention, flanked by piercing LED headlamps that look like eyes focused on the horizon. Every curve, every line, is sculpted with purpose, aerodynamic artistry that blends aggression with grace. It's unmistakably Maserati, yet unmistakably modern. But what truly sets the Grecale apart lies beneath the surface. Choose between the refined power of the mild hybrid, the thrilling punch of the turbocharged engine, or the revolutionary Grecale Folgore, Maserati's first all-electric SUV. With instant torque and whisper-quiet acceleration, the Folgore doesn't just move, it glides, delivering the future of performance without sacrificing the soul of Italian engineering. Inside, the cabin is where innovation meets indulgence. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere that's both sporty and serene. The digital cockpit features a 12.3-inch central display, an 8.8-inch comfort touchscreen, and an optional head-up display, all intuitively designed around the driver. Maserati's new infotainment system is fast, fluid, and smart, syncing effortlessly with your digital life, and even responding to natural voice commands. And it's not just about the tech, it's about the feeling. The way the steering responds to your slightest touch. The perfectly weighted paddle shifters. The adaptive air suspension that reads the road in real time and adjusts for maximum comfort or maximum performance, depending on your mood. Whether you're navigating tight city corners or carving mountain roads, the Grecale offers a drive that's as dynamic as it is refined. So if you're ready to break away from the ordinary to embrace a new era of elegance, performance and electrifying innovation, then maybe, just maybe, it's time you met the Maserati Grecale.